Loveline, Loveline. We have lines for love and love lines, love lines, love lines. Hello, can I take your call? Ooh, it's 10:35. Who's next? Bridget, you're 19. Having unprotected sex. Loveline.
All right, Kelsey, what is the question? Here we go. Here we go. What's the question?
Okay, so I've got 2 weeks left to go in my pregnancy.
Go, boy.
And I'm wondering if there's any way other than sex I can get my body to make like big amounts of oxytocin, or if there's any other way I can.
Whoa! What's the
process?
Hang on. What's the problem?
I want to go into labor.
Does that get you into labor?
No.
Drew, is that what women produce when they have sex?
Yeah.
What they think they produce?
Yes. I mean, it helps. It's sort of a bonding hormone. When you have the baby, you'll be flooded with that hormone. But look, you'll be.
Isn't that what they give you, or some type of it to?
Look, Kelsey.
Yeah.
When are you due?
July 5th.
All right. That's when the baby's going to come. Just relax.
Why do you want to have? I mean, I understand you're uncomfortable, but you don't want to have it prematurely, do you?
Yes, I do. I'm so uncomfortable, and it's so hot, and he's huge.
Oh, really?
He's going to be like a 9-pound baby.
Are you diabetic?
What?
Are you diabetic?
No.
No, he's not going to be 9 pounds.
Who else?
No, they just said from the ultrasounds that if he keeps growing the way he is and I go full term, he's going to be like 8.5 pounds. So.
Yeah, maybe 8.5 pounds.
Do you have another kid?
No.
Oh, who's that in the background?
Oh, that's my niece.
Oh, how old is she?
She is 4.
Yeah, an induction, Kelsey.
What's she doing? Why are you living with your niece?
Oh, well, my sister and I live together, so.
Why?
By the way. Why are you living with your niece? Oh, her and her mom. My mom and I live together.
Yeah.
Yeah, no ass. What'd she do? Drop out of, what do you do? Kindergarten or playtime or nap time? She dropped out. She's on her own. She's
living with her auntie.
She's driving. She got a permit to operate heavy machinery, but she's on disability right now.
I'm imagining something like that girl.
No, I'm talking about the 4-year-old.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Going to the city on her own.
Yeah, Kelsey. Okay.
We all live together.
Oh, I see. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. We always have, so it just.
Well, everyone always lives with their siblings until they smarten up and move out.
And have a family of their own.
Right.
We will eventually. I mean, when I get married and stuff, I'll go.
Why aren't you married now?
Why aren't I?
No, why isn't your 3-year-old niece married?
Oh, my sister? She was.
Does your sister have a husband?
Well, this is a tricky question, Ab. How dare you? Trick question.
Give her a few minutes.
Okay, give her breath.
Yes?
Divorced.
All right.
And how about you?
Me, no. I haven't found one yet. I chose Mr. Wrong, so.
All right. So what's up with you two? Your thing is you're just gonna. How old's your sister? Is she older?
Yeah.
A couple years older?
25. Yeah, just a couple.
They're just gonna have a little farm.
Yeah, we can just sit around, crank out kids, and live together.
Yeah.
What's up? Where's your dad? Is he gone? Is he out of the picture?
Your abusive abandoned.
My dad? Oh, I never knew my dad.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, the circle of life.
Yeah.
Proves itself again.
Hakuna Matata. Your kids won't know their dads, and neither will your sisters. So it's awesome.
No, they do.
They do.
No, they won't.
Yeah.
How's your
You
kid?
said it yourself. You're going to get married and have a family, and that's it.
Who you get married to?
I haven't found him yet.
All right. Well, I'm guessing that's not the guy who got you pregnant unless he's built some sort of time machine.
No.
So your kid's not going to know his dad. That's fine.
No,
it's
he
just.
will.
Where is he? Where's the dad?
The kid's dad?
Yes.
The baby?
Yes. Please.
Oh,
Oh, my.
He lives.
Your kid, your child.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please, Kelsey, do me a favor.
Oh, my.
Do not go home from the hospital with your child. Go to the junior college and just shove the kid in the mail slot. That's it. Get them started early. Because I can smell junior college from like 300 nautical miles. Kelsey.
Yes.
The person that got you pregnant, he's a man.
Yeah.
You're looking like a man.
He looking like a man. Now, where is he?
Well, he lives here, and we're going through issues right now, but...
Do you think you may marry him?
No.
How dare you? Why would she mind the
But he lives with you.
No.
Oh, he lives here.
we're not together.
You mean Earth?
No, we're not together.
I know, but what?
You said he lives here.
He lives in the same town as me and stuff. And
Same town. All right.
Yeah.
Well, at least that's refreshing. You might run into the kids somewhere on the street, although they won't recognize each other. But I think a father has an instinct about that.
Sure.
All right. So I'm just curious how the guy who fathered your child is going to know your child. You're going to share custody.
I'm not sure yet. I mean,
Okay. All right.
And this whole deal about you taking over your pregnancy and inducing labor, a horrible idea. Kelsey, you should not be making decisions like that. You follow the direction of people who know what they're doing, and that's that.
Yeah.
Same thing is true with your child once it's born. Have a pediatrician, take care of the child, do what they tell you to do, and that's it.
Yeah. And we'll see if this guy makes the kid's third birthday.
Didn't even go to junior college.
No, but I'm saying, God willing, the kid does.
Yeah.
Let's talk to Tom, who's 28. Tom?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Drew. Or this is Adam.
Yeah.
Adam, the Mr. Man Show guy.
Right.
What's up, Tom?
How's it going, Adam?
Good.
And Drew.
Good. And Rob?
And Rob, of course. Rob.
People call this show like they're asking a chick out to the prom. You know what I mean?
And,
just call and ask your question. We're fine.
Okay, well, my question is, I'm dating this mom who has a 6-month-old baby girl.
Mm-hmm.
And she's 20 years old.
Right.
And she's just kind of been acting kind of strange because she says that she's been in an abusive relationship. She left somewhere in Ohio and came out here to Utah.
Right.
Because her mom told her to leave that relationship. She was babysitting 3 boys plus her baby, and the guy wasn't doing taking the babies.
Hold on, Tom. You can't use the S word.
Or the F word. Let's be clear with him.
All right. I think Anderson put him on hold.
No, I got to hear it.
Get him back, Anderson. Come on.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Don't swear, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
The guy was being a jerk, okay?
Right.
Jerk's a good word, right?
Sure.
Okay, well, he was just being a jerk. We'll just leave it up to imaginary listeners to go.
You are an asshole.
Tom, that all the subtext that's going on in your mind,
Yeah, leave it there.
keep it there.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm wondering how do I fix a woman that's kind of been abused?
You can't fix her. That's your question?
Well, my question is I'm dating her right now, and she's just kind of thinking it really fast with me, and it's like, I don't know what I should do. I mean,
Tom, she is a chaotic person who comes from a chaotic environment, and you will get caught up in the eye of that chaos.
I'm trying to help her look like a lady because she's not really, she's not like the Pamela Anderson model type girl, but she will do. I mean, I don't know.
What does she look like?
What does she look like? She's got 40 double Ds.
No way.
5'4".
No way. This is bogus.
She's 210. I'm not bogusing you. She's
210?
210 pounds.
Well, but 5'4", that's about right.
She's 210 pounds. She just got done having a baby.
Hey, Tom.
Yeah.
What's up with you, buddy? You're 28?
Yeah.
You have a job?
Yes, I do.
What do you do?
I drive a beer truck.
Beer truck.
A beer truck?
Yes.
That's a good gig, right?
Adam, you might remember me.
Oh, no.
I called on one time about something about a pillow.
Yeah.
A what?
A pillow?
Yeah, I was infatuated with pillows.
Oh.
Masturbating with pillows.
I remember a guy calling about cushions, but not pillows.
Masturbating with pillows.
Yeah, all right. Hey, Tom?
Yeah.
Maybe you shouldn't be around young kids. You ever
Well, I don't
that?
do things like that around babies or young kids.
I see. But are you drinking some of this stuff that you haul around in your truck?
No, I don't drink and drive. A CDL is very important. If you get pulled over
right.
and you're drinking,
all right,
he'd like to, but he knows not to.
Are you drunk now?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Tom, this girl, okay, here's your plan. Don't get her pregnant.
Okay, well, I've already used the condom.
Okay, but you got to use a different one next time, right?
Well, I thought Trojan was the best one. I mean,
yes, yes, that's the best brand. But
he means actually a new condom, not necessarily a different brand.
Here's what I'm saying, Tom. This girl's chaotic. You cannot fix her. You're going to try to turn her into, pull
project.
some sort of Pinocchio job on her and turn her into a little girl or a little boy, whatever the hell Pinocchio turned into. But here's the deal. It's never going to work, but that's fine. Have your kicks with those double Ds, but do not get her pregnant because then you will be locked in.
And he said she has a 6-month-old daughter too, and don't be around that girl, the daughter or the child too much unless you're planning to spend a long time with this woman, like 10 years, because it's not fair to that child to be getting these different men in her life or his life,
right?
And then they disappear.
But I understand it. 6-month-old. 5'4", 210. I mean, it's hard to say no to that. I mean, all she needs is a moped, and that's boy.
Moped and a mullet.
A moped and a mullet. That is, you can't say no to that.